Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can rejoin Discord server once you have been banned on that server. If you want to rejoin server on Discord after banning, so first of all there are some methods that you can check out. The first of all, find out who banned you and go to their DM and ask him why you should be unbanned, or tell him it mistakenly banned your server. The second one is that create your new account and make your new server. But keep in mind, if your server is banned, then your IP address must be banned. So in order to create new account and new server, you must change your internet and mobile, or you can use the VPN for your changing server. Once you use VPN, then your IP address will not be traced, and then you can create new account or new server. So these are some methods. First of all, try to approach the one that ban your server and try to convince him. But if you are not convincing him, then go for the other method, create your new account and new server.